Developed for mobility, the ECR4Kids 30-bay charging cart is an exceptional portable charging station. It has been engineered to keep up to 32 devices, including laptops, tablets, and netbooks, secure and fully charged. With 32 built-in power outlets, you can ensure that all your devices are ready to use at a moment's notice. This portable storage charging cart includes a maneuvering handle and 4 heavy-duty casters, with 2 locking brakes to allow easy transportation of the cart from room to room. The bays are lined with a protective padding to keep devices safe, and the side panels are ventilated to prevent devices from overheating. This ECR4Kids laptop charging cabinet is built with a durable powder-coated steel frame and 2 locking doors. Ventilated panels have been added to improve air circulation, which reduces overheating of devices. Use the upper storage shelf to store important items or more devices. For added safety and security, this charging station storage unit's front door has a programmable keypad lock. The back panel is accessible by lock and key, and 4 keys are included for secondary access. This storage cabinet includes a 9V battery rescue power source to temporarily charge the keypad for access. Batteries are not included. ECR4Kids is committed to enhancing education in the classroom and at home. We specialize in a wide range of high-quality educational furniture and supplies. We're your partner for pre-K and beyond.